Okay, driving last night, a few blocks from home, it started making this funny noise, so I came back and then I just came out and started it this morning, and it's a pretty loud noise. I don't think it's timing tensioner noise because it's not quite the same, but I don't know what it is. I'm thinking maybe it might be a water pump, but I'm gonna put it on video here and see if I can figure out someone who might know what's going on. Here we go. Sounds like it's coming back from here. East area and down there. I don't know, not good, right? Not good, right? Shit.